it's Kate with WTI. If you're looking for a fun, sparkly, glittery case for your iPhone 15 Pro Max, you gotta check out this one.
This phone case is by ZIYE, and I have it here in the glitter black. So it's this little glitter insert, and then you just go ahead and pop your phone on in. Pretty easy to put this on and take it off. And you have this awesome blinged out glitter backing to your phone case, which is super fun. What I think is so unique about this case design, though, is that the actual case itself isn't the glitter. So just as easily, you can go ahead and remove the case, take that glitter insert out, and then you have a totally different phone case where you can actually see the color of your phone. So I love that it's kind of two cases in one and different styles depending on what you're feeling like. But either way, you're going to get great protection for your phone. And it's also MagSafe, which is wonderful because that means that I can charge it wirelessly without taking it out of the case. So I'm really happy with this.
I love how fun and versatile this case is, and the fact that it's really two cases in one, that's just my point of view.